favorite little sis. So we gotta try and spend more time.
Done. I've been looking for a break. What about all that other stuff? It'll have to wait.
Think about it. Calling our friends up, rent movies, buy makeup, and anything else you can name. You got a lot going on, but pretend there was just one little rule you could bend.
Well, my calculus test is on Monday. By Sunday, okay, fine, I'm in.
Ain't got no time for any drama. Check your problems at the door. We got one life to live it up and feel alright. Call up the friends and we'll invite all of the girls to chill. Let's have a slumber party tonight. Hope we don't start a pillow fight. Dance till we see the morning light. Wish it would never end. Let's have a slumber party. Let's have a slumber party. Let's have a slumber party.
Head feeling like it's gonna pop from all of this homework. Somebody make it stop.
You?
I got like 3 APs, all A's, no B's. I was up till like 4 something o'clock.
I don't know about that, but I know about this. We already started working on our own guest list. Not a sin, you know you're gonna miss your favorite little sis. So we gotta try and